Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great. Yes, you see right, we are getting started with TypeScript. TypeScript is a language developed by Microsoft and open sourced. In this series of lectures, we are going to dive into TypeScript and learn how TypeScript is used to build applications. We'll be diving into basics of TypeScript, we'll moving to advanced, and we'll learn how we can use TypeScript in our front-end projects as well as back-end projects. As the official site says, TypeScript is a language that scales. That is, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that ultimately compiles to plain JavaScript. So basically, TypeScript consists of JavaScript with some extra features. So that extra features gives us various techniques to write less error-prone code. Various organizations are now shifting their code base from JavaScript to TypeScript, and also who are getting started with large complex project as getting started with TypeScript. Because of the fact that TypeScript allow us to write very complex application very properly and organized manner. In this series of lectures, we'll be looking various features of TypeScript that allow us to write complex application. At the end of this series, we'll be in the position to write our front-end as well as back-end applications in TypeScript. We'll dive deep into React with TypeScript as well as Node with TypeScript. So before getting started, we have prepared a course outline that we'll be covering in this series. So let's look at that. So first we'll start with what and why TypeScript. What problem TypeScript solve as well as why should you use TypeScript over JavaScript. Second, we'll set up our own environment to write TypeScript code as well as we'll compare JavaScript with TypeScript with writing JavaScript code as well as TypeScript code to do the same thing. Next, we are gonna look at the basic of TypeScript. Basic like types, arrays in TypeScript, functions in TypeScript. Then we'll move up to some advanced topics like class, interfaces, decorators in TypeScript. Next, we'll do a project in TypeScript to get familiar with TypeScript and how TypeScript can be applied to a project. Next, we're gonna build a React application with TypeScript. We'll build an environment of writing front-end application with React with the help of TypeScript. Next on, we'll build a project that consists of Node Express code with TypeScript. So ultimately, we are gonna learn basic to some intermediate level of TypeScript. Then we are gonna cover React and Node.js with TypeScript. Ultimately, we are gonna build a full application with TypeScript. TypeScript is amazing and everybody is moving towards it. I hope this course will be helpful to you to build your backend as well as front-end application with TypeScript. I'm super excited to getting started with this course. So without wasting much time, let's get started.